एजे गाइडर्स। और आज मैं आपके साथ एक टॉपिक डिस्कस करूंगी, बहुत जरूरी है वैदिक मैथ्स। और आज हम स्क्वायर हम निकालेंगे जो एंड होते हैं 5 से शॉर्टकट मेथड में। तो हमारे फर्स्ट एग्जांपल है 5 5 55 का हमें स्क्वायर निकालना है। तो आपको तो पता है कि जो 5 का स्क्वायर होता है वो होता है 25। तो अभी हम इन दोनों का करेंगे तो इसका आएगा 25। तो जब ये वाला हम करेंगे उसका फर्स्ट डिजिट को, तो उसके अगले वाले डिजिट के साथ उससे हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। तो ये है 5 6 30। तो आप देख सकते हैं कितनी शॉर्टकट मेथड में मैंने इसे निकाल दिया, मुझे वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करनी पड़ी। तो अभी हम आपके नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल लेते हैं। तो मेरी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल है, अब आप सोचोगे कि 5 5 ना हो तो अगर कोई और नंबर आ गया तो उस पे कैसे करना है। अभी मैं बताती हूँ। सपोज कि मेरे पास एग्जांपल है 25 का हमने स्क्वायर निकालना है। तो जैसे कि आपको पता ही है कि 5 का तो हमने लिखा है 25। अब हमने 2 को उसके अगले वाले के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है। तो 2 3 6। तो इसका 25 का जो स्क्वायर है वो आया 6 2 5। तो हमारी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल है, अब हम लेंगे 3 डिजिट। हमारे इसका है 2 2 5 का स्क्वायर निकालना है। तो अब इसमें भी सेम मेथड है 25। लेकिन अब हम जब इससे इसके अगले वाले के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना, हमें वो वाली मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करनी, एक शॉर्टकट मेथड में करनी है। अब वो शॉर्टकट मेथड देखिए 2 2। अब इनटू तो ऐसे लिखेंगे, लेकिन इसे एक अलग तरीके से हम करेंगे जो शायद बहुत कुछ सुख है। तो पहले हम करेंगे 2 2 को, इसका आंसर है 4। फिर हम करेंगे 2 3 को, जिसमें थोड़ी सी स्पेस छोड़ देनी है। 2 3 6। अब हम करेंगे इन्हें 2 3 2 6 2 2 4। अब 6 + 4 होते 10। अब हमने शिफ्टिंग करनी है, इसे हम कर देंगे शिफ्ट। यहाँ तो हमारा आंसर है तो इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे। जब शिफ्ट करते हैं तो प्लस करना है। 4 1 5 0 ऐसे रहेगा और 6। तो हमें हमारा इसका एक तो आपको एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन का अच्छा शॉर्टकट मेथड मिल गया, ऊपर से आपका जो है स्क्वायर भी निकल जाएगा। तो इसका जो आंसर है ना वो है 2 5 5 0 6। देखिए मैंने कितने शॉर्टकट में कर दिया, मैंने इसका स्क्वायर भी निकाल दिया, शॉर्टकट में मैंने इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी निकाल दी। और आप हमारे वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करिए, और अगर हम कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे तो आपके पास वो सबसे पहले आएगी। थैंक यू।
Concerned about your child's studies during this lockdown period? Don't worry, we are here to help you. Just watch this video till the end and you will get your answers. We are from the Guiders AJ and we are situated at Bhatso Chungi, Patiala. We have also started this online courses just to facilitate our students during this lockdown period. And what I have done is I have made this small video as an introduction so that you people get to know what all services we provide. So first of all, I'll let you know what are the already running courses at our institute. First course, we give coaching related to computer subjects, right? And the best thing is computers is required in every field, right? And the best method to learn a practical subject is to do and learn technique. So we apply the do and learn technique and teach computers right from class 8 till all the higher level educations you can think of regarding computers. Okay. And next is coaching for class 8 onwards. We also provide, this small classes are a foundation for better career opportunities for students. That's why we focus that the students should get good education right from the start. And keeping this in our mind, we have started coaching from class 8th onwards, which is, I think, the first most important class from where the studies start getting a little, tough. So from 8th onwards, we give coaching on subjects like computers, stats, maths, and science, social studies, English, and all the subjects which you can think of, especially related to computers and commerce. We also give coaching for this what you say, stats and economics and law, these subjects also for plus one plus two classes. So you can get in touch with us for this. And third course that we are already running are the personality development and English speaking course, and many short term freebie courses that we normally provide with other courses, that if a student opts for any other course with us. So these are the three types of courses that we were already running. But seeing the response of the students, we felt the need for a few more courses. Okay, so uh, we are starting three short-term courses. First is your e-marketing. This course is good for all the BBA, BCom, MBA, MCom students. It's a 3-month course. In this course, we will provide you all the details that what is e-marketing, how to do e-marketing, how is it different from traditional marketing, and what are the various tools which you can use to build a good e-marketing strategy, and all that, everything basically related to e-marketing. Then you have second course that we have started, that is a training course. We have seen that in various colleges we have training for BBA, BCA, and MCA classes after this semester for say 4 to 6 weeks, and they can be in the subjects of marketing, in the subject of HR, or you can say finance. So we provide training for these courses also, and in these training 1 and training 2, we have online as well as offline mode. You can opt in for any of the modes, and both these trainings are for 4 to 6 weeks. One is for marketing and other marketing, HR, and finance. The second is for BCom students who have to go in for training under chartered accountants, right? The benefit of opting this training with us is that we, along with the study, along with the subjects that are prescribed by the university, we also provide personality development, we also provide spoken English, and we also give a little bit of introduction to the students about the digital tools and other currently going on strategies around the world related to their own field. So this, if you opt in for this training, it will be very beneficial for you. So this the for all these courses, these three courses, the registration has already started. So if you want to register, you can contact us. And last, before leaving, I will like to give you a little bit of details about how you can get in touch with us. First of all, you can come to our website www.theguidersaj.com. You can come here and you can leave in a message, or you can view what all courses we have. And second is, we have a YouTube channel. On this channel we post certain sample videos, right, so that you can just see what type of education we are providing at the institute. And so just go and subscribe to this channel, because every day we post 1 or 2 free videos on this channel. Then you can also go to the guiders.aj on Facebook. This is our Facebook page. You can go and log in over here, and if you have any queries, you can just message over there, and we definitely will get back to you within 4 to 6 hours. Okay, And last, if you don't have any other option, just message us on this mobile number, and this is a WhatsApp number. I hope all the information is clear. And one more very important thing that I would like to share with you, as you all know, we have been trying to improve our services with you, and for any class, maths is the most difficult of all the subjects, right? So and you don't get too many good institutes which provide coaching for mathematics. So what we have done is we have brought on our panel a very experienced and a retired uh, professor from one of the very reputed colleges. We'll be posting his video very soon, so just stay logged in. So we will be providing specialized coaching on mathematics, stats, and economics from a very reputed person. So please be in touch, and hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.